Hi friends, today I am with the Lenovo Tab P12. This is a gigantic tablet because this comes with a 12-inch of tablet, and we will talk about each and everything in detail. First we start off the physical attributes. So these are the volume rocker keys which comes with a tactile finish. It has a power button which also acts as a fingerprint sensor. It comes with the quads JBL speakers. The sound is by JBL, and each speaker is of 1 watt and optimized with Dolby Atmos. Quality is very good, and it is definitely recommended for those who love multimedia. If we talk about the external ports, it comes with the expandable memory slot which is around 1 TB of expandable storage. Internally it comes with the 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM, and it looks very classy. Here you can see the other two speaker ports. It comes with the Type C charging port. In the bottom you get a pogo pin. This is to connect the keyboard also. It comes with the 13 megapixel front camera and 8 megapixel rear camera. So this is for the camera. Now let's talk about the power button. It also acts as a fingerprint sensor. I have already registered a fingerprint. Now I will show you how you can do that. Just go to the settings. In the settings you go to the security and password. In that you have to verify the password. First you have to give the pattern. Once it is done, then you can enroll one more fingerprint. Now I have tilted the tablet because there are two types when it is in the landscape mode and the portrait mode. So I want different fingers to work simultaneously for unlocking the tablet. So now I am just going for the facial recognition. For that, first you have to put the pattern. Once it is done, agree, and after that it will check out your face and record the face. Once it is done, it can do the unlocking. I will recommend you to do the face unlock while it is in the landscape mode so that it unlocks very easily. Here you can see it is doing the face unlock. Face unlock features works very fast, and I don't have any issue. Even the fingerprint sensor is also fast while unlocking your device. It weighs around 615 grams. It is in the storm grey color. The battery we are getting is the 10,000 mAh battery. It is one of the gigantic battery I have used in a tablet, and it runs almost for a day. If you talk about the OS it is running on Android 13, which is one of the latest software. Even after using the device, I got the update. So the good part is that you are getting the update regularly. Now a quick look of a Tab M9 of Lenovo, which I have recently used. The size is around 9 inch, and the tablet Tab P12 is around 12.7 inch. So here you can see the difference. What is the size difference? So it is a big, literally a very big screen, and it is very useful those who love big screen for multimedia or for laptop kind of use. So there are two different segments. I'm not comparing, I'm just showing you the size difference, but there is a big size difference between both of them. Now talking about this, you can also purchase a keyboard for this Tab P12, which is costing around 7,000 bucks. So you can buy the keyboard separately in the accessories. In Tab M9 we are getting a kickstand case in the box, but in this one you are not getting, so you have to purchase it separately. In the box what we got, I will definitely love to show you. Just hold on for that. The display comes with the 12.7 inch, which comes with the 3K resolution, which is 2944 into 1840 pixels. It has a 60 Hz of refresh rate. It comes with the LTPS display panel. It has a 400 nits of brightness, and it comes with the anti-fingerprint smudges. It comes with the Gorilla Glass 3, and it has 10 points multi-touch support. Now if we see the box content, I would love to show that in the box you are getting a 20 watt of charger. Here is the 20 watt charger. You can pause the video and check the charger rating. Also in the box you are getting a Type C cable. This is a very long Type C cable, so it is very helpful if you have a long distance charging point. Now in the box you are also getting a pen. This pen comes with a Type C cable to charge it. It has also a magnet so that it can stick with your tablet P12. It sticks only on one side, so you can see I'm just showing you only one side of the tablet where you can stick it. It is very easy, and the magnet is very strong. Now how you have to pair it, it is very easy. If you go to the settings, in that you have pen and keyboard. In that you have a Lenovo pen. You just have to hold the button for some time. Once you have done, it will activate your pen for the first time and the pairing will begin. Once the pairing is done, you just have to press connect. Once connection is done, it will also show you the battery percentage of the pen. You can charge the pen with type C. It will show you all the features. I will definitely recommend you to go through all this to know and understand how the pen functions. Now if you tap on the pen, it has some options like to cut, crop, and to paste. You can also use for quick note, create some notes, even anti-lost alert, show pointer of hovering. Here you can see the pointer, it is hovering on the display. Even if you have a firmware update, you can check that also. Now let's talk about the few more things what you get inside this Tab P12. Now the P12 is a very loaded device. It is not only just for entertainment, but it comes with the processor, which is a MediaTek Dimensity 7050. It has a graphics card which is integrated Mali G68, and it also gives you a PC mode. I will definitely show you how the PC mode works. It also has the key mapping and some of the lab features. We will talk about the PC mode in the last segment of this video, so you have to wait and see a little bit more. You get some quick gesture. With that, you have the swipe up with 3 fingers, swipe up left and right for 3 fingers, even press and hold for 3 fingers. So you can pause the video and check this. Even I will recommend you guys to check all the quick gestures. If you have any question, you can ask me. Even you can remove the virtual keyboard navigation buttons from the bottom, and you can have the gesture navigation. It is just complete customization how you want to do the setup. It comes with the two microphones, so if you are doing a video call, the other side person can hear you very easily. It has a Bluetooth 5.1, so the Bluetooth connectivity is also good. You don't get any SIM support with this tablet, so just keep this in mind. And you can expand the storage up to 1 TB. It comes with the 256 GB of internal storage, and it has 8 GB of RAM. Now talking about the display, I have already told you the display is very rich. It comes with a 60 Hz of refresh rate. You don't get a 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate in this tablet, unfortunately. But still, I guess if you are watching a movie or having entertainment fun, you can definitely use 60 Hz. For gaming purpose, I have tried some gaming and it works smoothly. I don't have any problem playing the heavy games like Call of Duty Mobile and also BGMI. So gaming is also fun in this tablet. So that is one more aspect. If you are a gamer, you can definitely look out. But one thing I will definitely love to highlight is the audio quality. The audio is top notch in this tablet. It comes with the quad JBL speakers and they are literally loud. Even you don't need any external speakers for that. Even with the pen, you have some option like doing a quick note, and you can cut, you can do the trimming. To take the screenshot, it is very easy. There are a few more things, including you can go directly to the camera. I have already talked about the camera, but I will show you some of the camera settings very soon. And if you talk about the preloaded apps, it doesn't have much apps, but it comes with the Lenovo Vantage. It is basically to connect with the customer care and maybe get more support and help if you are required. Even the pen icon, you can see it is a floating icon where you can change its position when it is required. Even you can have some remote control settings also to when you are using a slideshow. So these are the few things what you are getting with the pen. And after that, let's talk about the camera, because it is one of the important features for everyone. It comes with the 12 megapixel front camera. It has a 8 megapixel, and here you can change the resolution. You have the flash, you can change into HDR and non-HDR. Even in this you can go and do the bokeh. It goes from 0 to 100. Then there is a focus mode. After that there are some filters. Now there is some AI photography if you want to try it. These are some of the settings which I have already shown you of the flash, and in this you are getting a 1x and 2x zoom feature, so that is also a good part. And even the front camera works well. I have tried and tested few things using the video calling feature, and I was completely satisfied with the camera quality. It is not too great, but still it is very satisfying camera quality what it is option is given. Even you can do the video recording. You can go to the AI mode. There is some of more settings, including the AI scan. So you can scan the documents also using this tablet, and even you can switch and go to the gallery directly. These are some of the camera settings what you are getting in this tablet. Now let's talk about the entertainment thing, because I do feel that this is basically for those who love entertainment, those who love to watch multimedia in the tablet. This tablet is meant for them. It comes with the 12.7-inch display, which is super good. It comes with a 3K resolution, which is 2944 into 1840, and it has a 400 nits of brightness. It comes with the 10 point multi-touch, and even including that, it has a speaker which is a quad speaker, and the audio quality is really loud. And after that, even if you have used the normal tablet mode, it also comes with the PC mode. But before that, I will show you some of the settings what you are getting inside this tablet. Here you can see you have an auto rotate, you have an aeroplane option, even you have the active apps where the smart accessories are connected. You can switch it off also, and there is directly mode to go to the settings. These are all coming in the notification panel. Then there is a note button where you can start noting nearby apps, where you can share the photos and other things directly, quickly from Android to Android. The Lenovo Tab Pen is connected through the Bluetooth, which you can already see. Currently I have switched on the auto rotate, and the video portrait mode is on. So when you are doing a video call, it will do the video portrait. The camera access and the mic access is also on. Now if you go to the keyboard shortcuts, there are a few settings which I will definitely recommend you guys to go and check it out. If you have any questions, definitely ask us in the comment section. I would love to answer you those things. More final and last thing, it comes with the PC mode. So here you can see I am currently switching to the PC mode, and you can see it comes with the interface where it looks like we are using a Windows tablet, and it looks quite like that, where the apps are at one place, even the camera. It also has the Google Photos, the App Store, few settings including the Wi-Fi option. So you can explore this. The PC mode is definitely advisable if you are in the work mode, and it looks quite like we are using the Chrome OS. So if you like the Chrome OS, you can definitely try this out, and this is basically for those who love to work in the work mode. But overall, I love the design. I would definitely love you guys to try it out. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. I would love to help you out. Now coming to the price point, this tablet is currently available only online, where it is priced for 27,000 bucks. I do think that this is a very good deal, including the audio quality, the display. It is one of the largest tablet currently I have used, and it feels like already like you are using a PC kind of thing. You can attach a keyboard separately, which will be coming for 7,000 bucks, and the pen we got inside the box. So that is a great advantage, which will connect with the Bluetooth with this tablet. So this is all about the Lenovo Tab P12. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.